everyone! Welcome to our vlog! My name is Gandhi Nani. Today, we will talk about earthquake awareness and preparedness. We will learn what an earthquake is and what we should do before, during and after an earthquake leads begin. Earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by the movement of earth crust. Earthquake can happen any time without warning, so it is important for us to always be prepared.
Before the earthquake, we need to prepare an emergency supplies like flashlight, medicines, water, and foods like biscuits. What would you do when the earthquake occurs? During the shaking, wear your helmet and do drop cover and hold. After the shaking stops, evacuate and go to the school's open area. Check yourself and your classmate to ensure that nothing was left behind and no one was injured. Why preparedness is important?
Being prepared can help save lives, reduce injuries.
It's hard.